former Nairobi County executive in charge of finance, Jimmy Kiamba, may have to forfeit palatial homes in Runda and Karen to settle a charge of 317 million shillings by the government. An anti-corruption court found Kiamba's wealth of 317 million unexplained after the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission charged him with corruption. Let's get more from our very own Sam Gitugu.
Since he left office as the Nairobi City County Executive, Jimmy Kiamba has been fighting charges of corruption and abuse of office. Even though a court found him not guilty of abuse of office, he did not survive a charge at the Anti-Corruption Court. Justice Hideg Ongudi finding that he could not explain the source of his wealth to the extent of 317 million shillings. Kiamba had been taken to court to explain the source of 1.4 billion shillings that was deposited in his 11 bank accounts between the years 2009 and 2015. But Kiamba claimed the deposits were up to 872 million shillings that he attributed to his businesses and asset disposals. The court had been invited to look into his wealth, including landed properties with houses in several estates in Nairobi. Even though Kiamba managed to explain away some of the houses, he wasn't successful with a house in Runda, estimated to be valued at 100 million shillings. Kiamba had told the court that part of his wealth came from rental income that between the year 2010 and 2014 totaled to 164 million shillings. That his farming business brought him 21.9 million shillings from cattle rearing, 78 million shillings from wheat farming, 12.4 million shillings from maize, while landed property brought him 35 million shillings. EACC witnesses told the court that Kiamba used his staff, a driver and a security officer, to make the questionable deposits. EACC officials are profiling Kiamba's property to value them ready for forfeiture should he not pay the government 317 million shillings. Sam Gitugu, Citizen TV.